everybody. We are, opening summer 21 my ass. We are at a suitable little location. This is actually one that my family runs. This is one of these awful business apartment complexes with the business fronts on them. So you live upstairs and then you come downstairs and lament your life for the rest of the day. But here we are with Ratchet, about to set up, get cooking. So let's see what we're working with here. What we're gonna make is some andouille dirty rice. Even got a brownie for after. And I loved how she's turning out, this little awning and everything. Okay. And we brought water and the fuel. Don't need to turn on the ice maker yet if we don't want. There's a computer, might sit and watch something while we're cooking. So get you a better shot of this whole setup. Oh yeah, that's looking tough. All right, while I'm preheating the cast iron here, just get you another back shot of that. I love those multicolored lights. Yeah, that thing is looking mean. But what we've done here is I've gone ahead and pre-processed that andouille sausage we bought at Walmart. That looks like plenty. That looks like it's gonna be nice and meaty and nice and Cajun, just like I remember when I was 3 and 4 years old. But I also remember carrots, parsley, green onion, oregano, thyme, a little bit of rosemary, and that's all fresh. So that'll doctor up our zatarains here, and even got a brownie for after. God, there's nothing like that satisfying sizzle, I tell you. Get out of my own light here. Now I can smell that spicy, so that's going to make it a little bit spicy. I'm in the mood for something spicy tonight, so that's cool. Just says to brown it. That's exactly what we're going to do. I'm loving it. I don't know if you guys have seen any of this cook set I keep in here, but this is like all the stuff. It's a little undersized, I'll admit, but it's got all the stops. I mean, it's got like spoons and stuff in here. This is actually a drying rack and stuff. Those sporks are absolutely useless for just about anything else in soup, but the bowls are all right, plates are all right. And this thing is really cool. It's got graduated lines. You can use it as a strainer and all that. So I should have just about all the bases covered. Back here, and look at this beautiful looking stuff already. Look at that little setup. How about that, Nick? Cheese. Huh? Am I right? Am I right? I don't know, I'm digging it. I have another table that I can deploy too. I have 2 other tables. I actually have the CRV table I could fit back in here. So I could have like 3 full tables. Maybe, maybe I ought to look at one of those Coleman camp ovens. Because if this thing had an oven and like I could like walk away and do lasagna too, no, that'd be just about the ultimate. You really couldn't beat that. Okay, now we're going to add all this herbs and stuff that I prepared. Alrighty. And then we're going to add the zatarain's bach. Alright, now that's all in. That's going. All that's really to do is to wait a half hour and check it every so often. Here's another good shot. Let's give you a walk around of it. God, she looks good in this light. .5 feet long, 4.5 feet wide. Well, you know what? Starting to smell super sick out here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Yeah. That's cool. Now here's a little memory, and this is kind of sad story actually, but beautiful setting, right? Abandoned parking lot, good lighting, nice and private. My boys down at the Wing and Burger Factory are right there. But you may, if you look back on my channel, there was a period where I was doing videos in a like a section of woods around a fire pit in my gold Accord that I had that I gave to my grandmother. That is where the minivan's parked right now. Same place. And it's just kind of a stark reminder that we don't need to be cutting down every tree you see to build another, half-filled apartment complex with businesses that aren't open. They call it a success. They're like, oh yeah, it's making money, but it's not nearly bringing the money that it was supposed to bring. And that's just about anything right now. But yeah, those beautiful woods that I was, the remainders of them are up the road. I don't know if you can see that far past the lights, but the remainder of what's left, which is kind of minuscule, is over there by Primerica. Yeah, we're right near Primerica. So these are the woods that I used to hang out in, and the wealth around us. And well, now the only wealth around us is what you make of it, really. I mean, this is quickly turning. It was, 9 years ago when I was first doing this, 10 years ago, this was all woods, and now it's all urban sprawl. So let that be a reminder to you. Don't pave heaven to put up another parking lot. Well. I think we'll call that done. Oop, nope, wrong way. Okay. All right. I smell a little bit of burning there, so. Woo. Yeah, all the liquid's absorbed. Let's put that on a bowl here. All right, well, let's see what we think about that. I don't know, that looks good enough to eat. Let's see. Proof is in the pudding here, so let's get a big old chaw of this. It's fresh out the pan, so I'm waiting for it to cool in the night air here. Huh. Well, that's good. Yeah, it's a pass, man. There's people walking around, they're like, the hell's you doing? But yeah, that's a little spicy. That's because the andouille, I just couldn't find a mild kind. It's got a little salt to it too, but hell, on a cold night, I'll take it. Get my jacket a little bit here. It's a little bit spicy. Well, that was the test run. Let's get you a last look at it here before I chow down and head home. I would try to stay in it tonight because I've got it all. It's all there, man. It just probably use a top off on some of the batteries and top off the gas in the generator and make sure it's working fine. And she's go, man. Ratchet is go. So thanks for watching, everybody. Always remember, there's a wealth around you. Stay safe and stay tuned for more.